Jana tumekuwa na mzee Oburu Odinga katika maombi ya nchi. Aliongea vizuri sana. Tuache siasa ya watu kugawanya wengine, siasa ya matusi. Sisi tumesukuma siasa na huyu mzee Gumo. Sijawahi kumsikia akitusi watu. Sasa tumepata vijana wameingia siasa, anafikiri speech yake haiwezi kuwa speech bila kutusi watu. Wanjala ameongea hapa, sijasikia akitusi mtu. Mimi situsingi watu, naongea yale ambayo yananihusu na yanahusu watu wetu. Nataka kuomba vijana wetu, msikubali kutumiwa na wanasiasa wenye nia mbaya. Kwa sababu ukiumia, yeye anaenda anatibiwa na insurance ya bunge, wewe unahangaika hapa chini. MCS wameongea mambo ya pension yao. Na nyinyi nawaomba mniombee. Sisi ni watoto wenu. Pengine tuna upungufu wetu kama binadamu yeyote.
Adwaro podi nitiere mondo mi koro tim nonro matut bende koro mondo ka ondamo mager mar chik ne jagoro mongirore e lweny buch siasa mar UDA Migosi Omar Hassan kotenore kanyo endo kod kit kaka ne oloso e kinde romo mar lweny buch siasa mar UDA mabende ne obaga kanyo timbo mo Mombasa juma ma okalo.
That you cannot even call him. Who is behind Hassan? Because if a dog barks, we must ask where is the owner. Hassan, are you on your own? Or are you being supported by unseen powerful forces? This man should be brought, powerful forces. This man should be brought to the limelight and also to the books. Yesterday, I complained against the utterances, fierce utterances, showing a lot of hatred, animosity, ethnic balkanization, and profiling of the Mount Kenya people. I demand that the IG, who is using the public taxes, and much of it is coming from Mount Kenya, he must now play his role. We are giving him 7 days only to do a thorough
visit Homa Bay. One is that being or oversighting the administration, we talked with the DCC on behalf of the county commissioner just to find out the issues of security within Homa Bay County. And we have been told that Homa Bay County is relatively calm. There are no big issues other than the issues that were coming up like in every other part of the country, the issue of goons, which some of them have already been suppressed, and others we will endeavor to enhance the security, and especially now that we have police. Now they have registered over 54,000 persons, and because we are moving to an election year, we want to encourage those who are registering to ensure that when they get their IDs, they also register as voters.
Mikai Matakarua kachielo kod mane jatend wakeini machon mara kaunti ma Kirinyaga manokanye ko Mikai wangu ingirishi koro ni to sirodo mapacho kaendi kuom ne ka okang mar chungo kanyo wach mar gedo kata ne keto kar reso jotuo mag Ebola mabende koro ni dhi golo pinje ma oko kikelo pacho kaendi. Mikai Karua yango kanyo koni sirikal mar piny Kenya onego ni kinde duto keto kanyo ngima oganda jo Kenya mokwongo kapok gikawo ndamo moro amora mar chik makoro bende nyalo keto ngima oganda jo Kenya e andaki mapek malich miwuoro.
Happy that the High Court has issued an injunction against the government establishing an Ebola quarantine center here in Kenya for the Americans. It is astonishing that William Ruto and his administration can listen to America saying that they do not want any infected part there. We remember after the Endarasha fire in 2024. The government said that there would be standards which every school would be forced would be forced to adopt. Can we be given an inspection report showing that all boarding schools have complied? If there is no such a report, how come complied? If there is no such a report, how come 16 girls were unable to escape the fire? It means we have a government that is sleeping. All they are interested in is misusing our resources, but not taking care of our children. My condolences to the families who lost their children, to the families who lost their children, to the families of the
Jones. Akabendo yango kanyene penye Kenya osewala kaka log tich mabende kori biro bagi rombe madito mag pinje mamoko kata mag pinje maoko.
Last night alone, the president of Kenya had to convene an update session with key development partners and the international community and the UN because of the threat of Ebola, and to see how, again, we can collaboratively work with the international community to protect Kenya, but also to be a responsible member of the international community. As we have the UN here, apart from the expansion that you all know is going on, when the President and the Secretary General led in the groundbreaking ceremony for the expanded facility, I think it's important for you to know that the same UN is also in conversation with Kenya so that Kenya can become not just the headquarters for the UN entity that is here, but also to become literally the headquarters for humanitarian and logistical programs of the UN in the global south. That is a very, very important objective, because we don't know. We are being prepared, we are being proactive.
Wadi nyime kama hiyo kanye kwenye gavana makaunti Masaya Mgusi James Orengo okwedo kang malich miwuoro kit monja bende no monje godo Odiochieng manyoro e county ma Homa Bay kama bende no dhi limbe mare matwa kod jopiny gino mabende no yoyo kanyo ka jadek na yudo hinyruok malich miwuoro Odhiambo manyoro kanitwa kanye nebo ma Kisumu okwayo kanjo siasa mapacho kaendi ahinya to mago eko makaluwo mondo koyie to thegre kanyo ndo kod siasa marach madwaro kanyo eko hinyo ngima jowetegi bende tudo kanyo gavana ma Homa Bay ka achiel kod sirikal mapacho kaendi kuom bedo kanyo para manyime monya bende no monje godo Odiochieng ndo manyoro
mano timre no Homa Bay en gima Governor Gladys Wanga ong'eyo. Onge ng'at ma nyalo loso kijende maromo kamacha ni mondo dinwa. To wan kamoro amora kata obed Kisumu ka kuonde ma gin gi bura kata obed Siaya. Onge chiemo moseloro Siaya ne ng'ato nyalo donjo Siaya. Nikech ne wakelo katiba manyien ma ng'ata oyiene donjo kamoro amora ko ja Kenya kendo loso gi jo Kenya. Kendo adwa kwayo Gladys ma ok ka go siasa malweny no ok nyal teri kamoro. Ji moko seteme to kelo mana tho gi ywak gi kuyo kiyie we siasa machalo kamano. Nikech ka ng'ato ka ng'ato timo siasa no to onge ng'at manyalo wuotho e yo mowinjore korito ngimane kama. Ubro duwo piny, ubro ketho piny. Kendo ubro ketho i luor. Joluo gin jomohero kwe. Ere gimomiyo ing'iewou. Ere gimomiyo utimo ni luo gimoro mokowinjore ne jalibamba moro ema koro oketo ni ema ng'ado gik ma joluo onego tim kata kama joluo dhiye. Ok wayie kata matin. Omiyo obedo Odiochieng mogik kik chak timre kendo. To bende asechano wuoth madogo
kumsebedo kanyo koko kelo tungini otend kanyo ndo ker mapacho kaendi masani migosi William Samuel Ruto okoyango kanyo ekoni Uhuru Kenyatta osebedo kanyo ndo katiyo kod kweth jotelo mamoko enyayo siasa go komaga kwede kod mago mag dhoudi e pacho kaendi kinde mane loso nyasi moro mar ik kaunti ma Kakamega mabende no yore kanyo kod jotelo ma opogore moko kuom jotelogo bende ne oloso kanyo wach mar masira mar mach mabende ne omuoch sikunde nyiri mano ma utumishi mayore Gilgil kama noweyo kanyo ka ngima jopuonjre marom kanya 16 ne olal.
Wakati alipotaka kutupatia nyongeza ya minimum wage atupatia 6%. Sasa wewe umetoka nje, you are inciting workers that you refuse to improve their terms and conditions of service. Sisi ni wafanyikazi na tunaongoza vijana ambao wanatuma pesa huko nyumbani.
Nataka safety and standard wote kuanzia national officials wote wawe suspended by president by tomorrow, waende nyumbani. Wale wa county wa Nakuru waende nyumbani. Bana ambia sisi maneno ya dormitory hapa na tunajua safety and standard wamedesign dormitory itakaa. How many children shall we lose?
Wanafunzi 8 wameupitia uchunguzi. Imepatikana kwamba wanafunzi 8 wanakiziwa kwamba walihusika na kuchoma hiyo dormitory. Hao wanafunzi 8 tayari DCI amewashika na watapelekwa kotini na watabaki na DCI kwa interrogation kupata full evidence ambayo ilifanyika namna gani. Pia tunajua ya kwamba hiyo institution kuna mambo ya standard procedures ambayo ilifaa kufuatwa. Number 1, tunajua ya kwamba kuna one side of the dormitory ilikuwa imefungwa ambayo ingekuwa ni exit ya hiyo dormitory, na hapo ndio wanafunzi 10 about 10 students died at that particular corner. Kwa sababu hiyo kona ilifunikwa, ikawekwa kuvuli, ikapigwa mbao, alafu ati ni kuexpand the dormitory ndio itoshee. Ikapigwa mbao, alafu ati ni kuexpand the dormitory ndio itoshee ilete wanafunzi wengi kujaza hiyo dormitory. Na kwa sababu ya hii